Assalamu Alaikum.
Walaikum Assalam.
How are you, dear Awesome?
I am fine, thank you. How are you, teacher?
I am fine too. Thank you. Okay, today I will teach you how to make wudu.
Okay, teacher.
For this, I created a video animation for you to show how we make wudu. Let's start the class, and now I'm sharing my screen with you so that you can see the video easily.
Okay, teacher. Yes, I can see your screen.
It's simple to make wudu. You have to do the following steps in order to make wudu. But before you start, you should make an intentions to make wudu. You can do this by whispering to your heart. I'm going to make my wudu. Step 1. Begin by saying Bismillah. Now tell me the first step, Awesome.
Okay, it's saying Bismillah.
Good, now step 2. Completely wash your hands including your wrist and between the fingers, and do this 3 times.
Okay.
Step 3. Put water into your mouth from the right hand, so it moves in your mouth, and then spits it out. And do this 3 times.
Okay, I always do this in the morning when I brush my teeth.
Okay, now step 4. Sniff water into your nose as far as you can from your right hand, then blow it out using your left hand, and do this 3 times. Step 5. Wash your face completely, from your forehead to your chin, and from to the right ear to the left ear. If you have a beard, then cross fingers through it.
And how many times we should do this?
3 times. Okay, now step 6. Wash your right arm. Begin from the finger's tip to washing your whole hand, arm, and elbow. Do this 3 times, and then wash your left hand in the same order.
Okay, means just like we do with our right arm?
Yes, just like that. Okay, now step 7. Wipe your head from start, and then move your hand toward the back of the head, and then from the back of the head to the front in one move. This is done once only. Step 8. Wipe inside parts of the ear from your index finger, and then back of the ear with your thumb. This is done once. Step 9. Wipe your neck with your hands and fingers. Step 10. Wash your right foot including your ankle. Make sure you clean the foot fingers using your small pinky finger. This is done 3 times. Do the same for your left foot. And last step 11 is read the dua of completing the wudu.
أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له وأشهد أن محمدًا عبده ورسوله.
So that's the steps of making wudu. I'm sure now all the steps are clear for you, am I right?
Yes, teacher. All steps are clear. Inshallah, tomorrow, I will tell you all the steps accurately.
Good. Now the class time is over. See you tomorrow. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.